All right. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. What a view. Yeah. Look at the view from here. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Wow. Look at the pillow. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Yeah. Wow, what a beautiful view. It's like a dream. It's like a very expensive dream. Look at this. Wow. The goof. This is beautiful. Oh, this color. Oh, wow, look at these pictures. Wow. And this pillow. Wow. Hold on, let's see. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. Let's go outside for a second. Yeah. Oh, the weather. This is no bother. Realistically, it's barely in the view. Like, it's like this. We do have neighbors like right here though. This is beautiful. 4th floor, perfect. Wow. That is nice. A lot of space here. They should have put something here. Oh, let me see the... Wow. There's a nice drapery.
Like looking at that side.
Standard Disney bathroom. But let's see the art. It's like Saratoga Springs. I love it. It's so nice. Look at that.
It's very nice. Very nice.
I tell you what, it costs 15 points. And it's what a value for 15 points. I say that. And look at the view from inside everywhere. Look, you can see that. Epcot's right there, the ball. The ball is right there. Wow. Lighting is nice and yellow. Woo! Let me see. Mickey. And reflection. There, Minnie.
Oh, I didn't see this.
And Pluto.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Size-wise, what do you think? What does this compare to? It is, it's definitely smaller than Grand Floridian Big Time, smaller than Polynesian Big Time, but I would say probably comparable to like Boulder Ridge, Wilderness Lodge. Leaving that door open because there's such a nice breeze coming. And look at the view from here. Look at that. That is amazing. Wow. Well, with this, now I've stayed at pretty much all the Disney hotels. And I could rank them. Beautiful. Wow. The view really makes it makes the room feel bigger. And that light, beautiful yellow. That is so nice. Look at that pillow. Themed pillow, amazing. Wow. Is there a light down here? No, I don't think so. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay. Do we have a freezer? No freezer. It's okay. And the usual sinks and stuff, etc., etc. Oh, look at this. That's a good one. Dopey? Sleepy. And this photo. There we go. I turn on the lights. Beautiful. That is beautiful. Yeah. Look who's came on vacation with us. Raymond. Hello. There you are. Enjoying the boardwalk. All right, the view from the couch. Look at that. You know what's really good too? These railings, you can see through them.
And it's low.
There's some places, even the Polynesian, the railings are thick, the classic Polynesian. So when you sit, a lot of your view is blocked. So yeah, that's really nice. And yeah, I love this decorative pillow. That is nice. Yeah. All right, let's test the water pressure. Yeah, that's pretty good. That'll do the trick. The lights have turned on, and it is golden hour, I guess. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Feel the energy. I still pick Grand Floridian and Polynesian and even Wilderness Lodge over this, even with this view. But it's still a beautiful place to be. You can't beat Seven Seas Lagoon and the Magic Kingdom Castle from your resort. Good morning. 7 a.m.